This video is from KhoobSurati.com studio, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to do seashore nail art. So guys, for this nail art, what you have to do is take white base color for all your nails, paint the tip of the nail in sky blue color, and draw waves on this with the help of white color. Now to draw a turtle to represent seashore animal, make its shell with orange color. And draw the pattern over it with black nail paint. Now draw the body of turtle with green color. And draw its eyes and nose with black color. Now in order to make a water crab, draw its body with red color. and design its claws and mouth using white color. Now put glittering gems on its eyes and outline them along with its teeth in black color. Now for drawing the water snail, and make the body of snail with orange color. Paint the background with yellow. Now in order to design the coiling shape with its body, use black color. Similarly, draw the eyes and ears of snail using black color only. Next, make the body of water frog with green color. And painting its nose and mouth using black color. Now draw its body texture with light green spots in between. Now draw its eyes by putting 2 glittering gems over its head. and then outlining them with green color. Now finally draw 2 coconut trees at the seashore with its trunk. Using brown color and leaves using green color. So guys, with your coconut trees, you complete the seashore nail art design. This is the final look that you will get. Guys, I hope you liked this video. For more easy nail art tips and products, please click the link below. So that you can tell me what you want to see in my next video. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Get connected to us for the most happening and interesting things on Facebook. Bye bye for now, and I'm waiting for your suggestions so that I can upload some more videos for you.